Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth head-to-head comparison review about these two AI platforms called Firebase Studio AI and Windsurf. So let's quickly dive into it. Firebase Studio is Google's new AI-powered IDE in 2025 that makes it easy to go from ideas or design straight to full-stack app with Firebase service like Hot, Firestores and hosting built in. It supports Figma no-code, natural language prompt, live preview, and one-click deployment, making it perfect for fast prototyping and launching production-ready app in the Google ecosystem. Windsurf, by contrast, is an AI-first coding environment focused on developer productivity with smart auto-completion and cascade agent for bigger tasks, and even deep code base awareness. It's great for staying in flow and working across different stacks, but it can feel buggy with large files, and its credit-based pricing may frustrate heavy users. In short, Firebase Studio is best for end-to-end app building, while Windsurf shines as a powerful coding companion for daily dive work. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more reviews.